How to fix Desjardins Bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the storage box. Over there, type in the app name, Desjardins, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app Desjardins. After you find it, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of delete app. Click on delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Desjardins. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Desjardins Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.